Okay guys, up for sale here at 2007-18 Nautic Star Bay boat. It's got a deep V, so it's open Fisherman. You can go out offshore with this too, not only the flats of the bay. 2007 Suzuki 4-stroke 115 horsepower, only 95 hours. We're gonna crank her up. This boat and trailer are brand new, 2007, never been titled. No one has ever owned it, so whoever buys it is getting a brand new boat. Why? Check it out. I ain't kidding you, man. That storage inside there has a lot more storage. That's a live well, circulating live well, plumbed and everything. More storage over here. Independent anchor storage. Beautiful deep V. Check it out. Look at that V, and it's very wide in the dead rise in the back. The beam is like 8 foot or something. Real stable boat. Let's crank her up for you. Look at that beautiful bay boat. Gas saver, 4 strokes, as you all know. Oh boy, here's a better look of it inside. There's a console, rod holders. Flip back cooler, batteries, and another storage you can turn into a live well. And there she is. Let's do it. She cranked right up. You can't even hear her, man. 4-stroke. Rev her up.